Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're diving into a whole new world of sliders. Forget the regular buns, we're using Choux pastry to elevate our burger game. First things first, let's talk about these beauties. Our slider buns are made from Choux, the same dough used for eclairs and cream puffs. It's light, airy, and oh-so-buttery. Our burger patties are seasoned to perfection. We got a blend of finely chopped onion, a sprinkle of dried oregano, fresh thyme, and a dash of fresh nutmeg, just to name a few. The result? An earthy, savory, and aromatic flavor that will keep you coming back for more. Our last secret weapon is this homemade burger sauce. It's a blend of mayo, Dijon mustard, ketchup, relish, and a dash of blend of dry seasonings. It's creamy, tangy, and just the right amount of sourness. Trust us, you'll want to put this on everything. So, without further ado, let's start cooking. Choux may appear complex to prepare, but it is actually rather simple and quick to make. In a saucepan, combine half cup of water, half cup of 2% milk, 8 tablespoons of cubed unsalted butter, and half teaspoon of salt. Bring the pot to boil over medium heat. Once it is boiled, turn off the stove and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously with a wooden spoon. Continue stirring to eliminate the moisture for another minute. Transfer the dough to a mixing bowl and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Add 1 egg at a time, stirring until the mixture is smooth and completely combined. Repeat the process with 3 additional eggs. Now we are ready to pipe the dough. We made 2-inch circles on a parchment paper to make piping easier. You can either use a pastry bag to pipe it into 2-inch eclair shapes or use a small scoop to make a 2-inch balls. Flatten the tips with a damp finger to prevent the dough from browning too quickly. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. Also, do not open the oven door while baking. We are going to make a simple hamburger patties, starting with 400 grams of ground beef, half cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half teaspoon of thyme, and half teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Season with salt and ground pepper. In the meantime, combine half cup of breadcrumbs and half cup of milk. Mix until it becomes creamy. Pour into the meat and mix well by hand. Form mini patties, about 2 inches in diameter and ½ inch thick. Pan fry or grill the patties until they are fully cooked. To make the hamburger sauce, combine ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, a ½ teaspoon of onion powder, a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, a ¼ teaspoon of salt, a ¼ teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to add a little citrusy flavor to the dressing. Mix well. Finally, add 1½ tablespoons of relish. Give it a quick stir and taste. Perfect! To make the sliders, start by slicing the choux pastry in half. Add a little sauce and some greens. Then add the patty, a slice of tomato, and more of the sauce. Place the top and they are ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, our Choux burger sliders. Perfect for parties, picnics, or just a weeknight treat. With that said, we would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.